In today's video, we are going to discuss how we can automatically update fields in Salesforce using automation. Welcome to Fingertip Technologies. My name is Saurabh. Just before we start the explanation video, if your business needs any assistance with the Salesforce CRM consultation and implementation, please check out our website below. We help businesses all around the world with Salesforce CRM consultation and implementation. So now, let's get started with the video. Salesforce automation helps us update fields automatically without manual effort. By using automation, we can reduce human errors, save a lot of time, keep our data consistent, and improve overall business processes. Let's understand this with a real time example. I am currently on the opportunity object and I will open one of the records. On the detail page, you can see that the stage is already set to closed won, but the delivery installation status field is still showing as none. Ideally, when an opportunity is moved to closed won, this status should automatically change to in progress. Instead of updating it manually every time, we can automate this using Salesforce automation. In Salesforce, there are multiple automation tools such as workflow rules, process builder, and flow builder. But in the current Salesforce ecosystem, Flow Builder is the most commonly used and future proof automation tool, especially going forward. Flow Builder allows us to handle most real time business scenarios in a flexible and scalable way. Some common real world use cases for automatic field updates include updating a status when a stage changes, auto calculating discounts, setting priority based on amount, updating a last follow update, or copying values between fields. In this example, we will automatically update a field based on a stage change. To create this automation, click on Setup. In the Quick Find box, search for Flows and open it. Then click on New Flow. From the available options, select Record Triggered, Flow and Continue. Now we need to select the object, so I will choose Opportunity. For the trigger, I will select when a record is created or updated. Next, we define the condition. Our condition is simple. When the stage equals closed won, this means the flow will run only when an opportunity is moved to closed won. Once the condition is set, click Done. Now, in the flow canvas, click on the plus icon and select Update Triggering Record. Give the element a label, such as Update Delivery Status. The API name will be auto-generated. Here, we specify which field needs to be updated. I will select the Delivery Installation Status field and set its value to In Progress. Once that is done, click Save. Now, give the flow a name, for example, Update Delivery Installation Status, and save the flow. Before activating it, let's see what happens without automation. I'll go back to the opportunity object, open a record, and change the stage to closed won. After saving, you can see that the delivery installation status is still not updated, which means the automation is not yet active. Now, let's activate the flow. I will return to the opportunity object, refresh the page, and open another record. I will change the stage to closed won and save the record. As soon as the record is saved, you can see that the delivery installation status is automatically updated to in progress. We can also test this while creating a new opportunity. I will click on New, enter the opportunity details, directly set the stage to closed one and save the record. Even though I didn't manually update the delivery installation status, Salesforce automatically sets it to in progress using the flow. This is how we can use Salesforce flow and automation to automatically update fields, reduce manual work, and improve data accuracy. I hope this explanation was clear, and now you can automatically update and fill fields in Salesforce CRM using automation. If you found this video informative, please do like, share the video, and subscribe to our channel. If you have any further questions or suggestions, comment on this video and we will be happy to assist your query. Thank you so much for giving this video a watch, and see you all in the next part.